Now, 5 Free State farmers are expected to be sentenced in the Parys Circuit Court this week on charges relating to the deaths of 2 farm workers more than 4 years ago. They were found guilty of assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm. In January 2016, Tjixa and Simon Jubeba went to their employer, Loedie van der Westhuizen's house, to demand their unpaid salaries for work done. The court heard a confrontation ensued, and van der Westhuizen alerted a security company that there was an attack on his farm. More on the story, let's cross live to our colleague Thabiso Radebe, who's at the Parys Circuit Court. Thabiso, what can we expect from court this morning?
Of course, that's we outside the Parys Magistrate Court here in the Free State, where we are expecting the sentencing of the 5 accused in the assault case of the 2 farm workers. We've just got a briefing today from the National Prosecuting Authority, who are saying that today and tomorrow, it will only be arguments between the defense and also the prosecution. And then on Wednesday until Friday, we will be expecting the judge to pass out, or rather read out his sentencing. But fortunately here, I'm with one of the deceased mother, who's going to be telling us about how does she feel about this case. It's Me Shekiwe Ruth Kokota. Just tell us about this case. One of your sons died from being assaulted by the accused. And how do you feel when about this case?
Ngoba okunyanam ebulewe ngebelungu andiphili andityi andithini nestate sathi sangiqabelisa ndisuke sosolo yonke le mhla ndisokola ilift ndisenza ntoni bendincedwa nayi-ANC ndiva kabuhlungu.
Ufuna ukuthi kwenzakalani ngecase lema?
Ndifuna le belungu bajeziswe into abayenzileyo, bajeziswe. Ndihlale etyotyombini. Umkuku wam uyanetha khona ngoku kusehlobo, ndizonetha ndizodada edakeni. Lo mntanam kwayo ngambulala ngeke kudala sisebenzile naye ngoba utata kubhwe ngo-2013 wathi mama funeke siyozakhela indlu sosolo sithini bona bambulele. And le nto indivisa ubuhlungu kakhulu le case nxa ingenayo fumane besihleke belungu wabo besenza ntoni ndiva ubuhlungu ngathi kungaphela mhlawumbe nakwanwaba nasemoyeni.
Just to translate what Me has been saying, that she's heartbroken by this case because her son was the breadwinner at home, and then now these white farmers have killed him. They were about to move to Sasolburg to stay in to build a house, a new house, but now he's gone now. There's nothing that she can do because now he was a breadwinner. I'm also going to be bringing in Sanko here, and Tatem Kolisi Pali, who's the chairperson of Sanko in the region here. And Tatopali, seemingly you are not happy about the charge here of assault as the South African National Civic Organization. Just explain to us.
No, definitely we are embarrassed actually by this prejudgment as Sanko Radebe, Leba Aikara Radebe region. It's a clear indication that the whites can kill as many farmers as they want, because they own the economy of the Free State and Radebe region in particular. They can buy the cases. That is our feeling. We are so disillusioned because it's a clear indication that this is an assault GBH. From our experience, nobody has ever been sentenced for a GBH. At least if it was a GBH murder, we could have been happy. You could see the emotions of the mother. The gentleman was a breadwinner at home, so there is no one. She's living in a shack and with no form of income. So it's clear that these white farmers, owners, they can use keywords to our employees, the farm workers' employees, as much as they want. They will just keep on receiving the linear sentences. We are so angry as the civic movement.
This case happened in 2016 in January, and today it's 2020, we are in August. But seemingly there are still those tensions between blacks and white people here in this particular region.
It will never end, not now. You could sense how she speaks, the mother. Every time they laugh at us because they know that they own these things. They laugh at us no matter they killed 2 people. So who's going to take a full responsibility of the bodies, the 2 deceased people? If it's an assault GBH, that means they have not been found guilty of murder by the court. So we are very, very much angry as the civic movement.
Any complaints, anything, or are you going to be writing to the prosecutions to sort of complain about this case or the justice system?
Definitely we will do that as the civic movement, but our immediate appeal is that the MEC of Agriculture, Ndade William Bulwan, and the Department of Labour Kara Province abake ba visitele basebetsi Kara di Plastinana, because firstly Dabi is surrounded by a number of farms, more than any other region. We purely rely on agriculture within this particular region. So if MEC can get out of the office and visit the employees' welfare and begin to check the living conditions, the working conditions of the employees, including the Labour Department as well. Because our people, they get harassed every day and nobody is taking full responsibility of that. They don't even know maemo kwafing Kara di Plastenan.
It was my next question that seemingly farm laborers are still being, allegedly are still being unfairly treated by their employers. Can you confirm that, especially in this region?
I can confirm that. The very same Butaki, I think this guy is called Butaki, he drove a tractor over a person. That person now he doesn't have legs. He's in Mandela. He won the case. The case just disappeared. It's a clear indication that these guys, they can kill as many as they want because they've got money to can buy the processes. We are not happy with the judgment at all.
There you have it. It's Ndate Mkolisipali, the regional chairperson of the South African National Civic Organization, saying that they are not happy with the charge of the 5 accused. You remember that they are being charged with assault and also assault GBH. But seemingly, the prosecution will also be including another case of another charge of defeating the ends of justice. And you would remember that it was 6 accused, but one of them was a policeman, but he had his charges dropped against him. So we'll see what's going to be happening today. We've heard that it's only going to be arguments today until tomorrow, and then on Wednesday the judge will start reading out the sentencing. So we'll talk to the community out here to hear their fears, their concerns about these racial tensions in Parys. Des, it's back to you.
Very strong words there from the civic organization member. Thank you so much, Thabiso Radebe, for that update.